I'm David Elliott, Senior Estimator at Intermain, and I worked as the Value Engineer on the Blackmores HQ refurbishment. Intermain acted as a construction partner in the sense that we were there to manage the design process and provide real-time cost analysis and value engineering.
My name is Marcus Blanco and I'm a Project Director with Intermain. Blackmores were a great company to work with because they're an example of a company that goes above and beyond for their employees. They're able to bring in a strong brand and culture into the workplace. The whole team worked really well together, adapted really well, and worked very seamlessly together.
Everybody wanted to be actively involved, and that set the tone for the project moving forward. So much so that Alistair, the CEO, was there, which really showed Blackmores' commitment to the project from the outset.
When we think about what is great for a future workplace, we start thinking about the building blocks. And those building blocks that we're using here at Blackmores are things like providing variation of spaces so that people can work how and where and when they need to. I'm Neil Christopher and I'm Design Director for Gensler, the designers for the refreshed workplace here at the Warriewood campus for Blackmores. For me, it's really important to make sure that we get the things that are important to people right. Where do we come together and do the best work? The second thing is really about prioritising people and connections. And those connections are extremely important at the moment because people are looking to get back into the office, both in person, but also in hybrid mode. The third thing that we look at and build upon is what are the trends and what are the things that we're seeing in other workplaces that create and support wellness. And then lastly, it's really about creating experience for people. This is really about creating a workplace for you that isn't backwards looking, but is forwards looking, is exciting, and really heralds an amazing future for everyone who works here in this building. Some of the design features people will notice as you walk through this amazing new campus is a lightness and brightness and a freshness. So that's the first thing that was really important for us. And it was important because it really starts to remind us about our connection back to nature.
Blackmores encourage sustainability through recycling and reusing a lot of their existing furniture. So Intermain Joinery Solution utilised Australian-made products through the manufacture of our bespoke joinery.
Healthy living principles were at the forefront of conversations. Extremely critical to us was ensuring that the brand elements, that the DNA of this healthy living is really transported into the workplace that we did. So we've also created quiet spaces. There's library areas, there's quiet zones where you can go and really enjoy a quiet space to concentrate and retreat. So this is what's really, really important for this workplace, is giving you the power to decide where, when and how you want to work in the future.
The Blackmores HQ was a great project to work on because the team were aligned in values. Blackmores, Gensler and Intermain all share a focus on sustainability.
It's a new kind of workplace, and we must remember that we designed this in the midst of the pandemic. So we've been able to adapt, change and embrace everything that we've learnt through that pandemic. And so this really is a new paradigm for workplaces.